students, welcome back to Story Time. Today I will be sharing a special story with you all. The name of today's story is Elma the Elephant. Are you ready? Elma was a loving and caring elephant. She loved to help her friends and neighbors. One day, Esther the hen wanted to go to the market. Esther asked Elma, "Can you please take care of my eggs?" Elma said, "Yes, of course." Elma stayed beside them and watched over them. Esther came back and said, "Thank you, Elma, for taking care of my eggs." Elma said, "You are welcome." She smiled and went back home. That was a lovely story. Did you enjoy it? Come, let's explore the word of letter E. First, let us see what the letter E looks like. This is uppercase E. That's right, this is uppercase E. Yes. Now let's see what lowercase e looks like. That's right, this is lowercase e. Well done. Do you know what the letter E sounds like? The letter E sounds like e, e, e. Come, learn with me. E, e, e. Excellent job. Now let's go back to the story Elma the Elephant. Let us find some words from the story that begin with the letter E. Shall we start? Alright, let's start with Elma the Elephant. Now repeat after me. Elephant. Elma is an elephant. Well done. What's next? Let's look at these eggs. 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 Great job. Now let's see. What do we call this? Excellent. This is an eggplant. Well done. Eggplant. Alright. And what do we call this here? Very well. This is an elbow. Elbow. And look, there is a beautiful plant of an eggplant. Great job. Now, as you know what the letter E looks like and what it sounds like, come, let's do this fun exercise. Let us circle the pictures that start with the letter E and have the E sound. Are you ready? Let's begin. What do we call this here? This is an elephant. Well done. Does the word elephant start with the letter E? Yes, it does. Come, let's circle it together. Wonderful. Ready for the next one? Let's come to this here. What do we call this? This is a carrot. Good job. Does the word carrot start with the letter E? No, it doesn't, so we will not circle. Next up, what do we call this here? This is a boat. Does the word boat start with the letter E? No, it doesn't. Next up, what do we call this here? These are eggs. Good job. Now, does the word eggs start with the letter E? Yes, it does. Let's circle the eggs. Amazing job, everyone. Today we learnt about the letter E. Now come back next time as we will dive into the amazing world of letter F with another exciting story.